especially ERAP, mayroon pa doon si ERAP na dumapo yung langaw. Nakuha ninyong picture, pinalaki ninyo. What kind of a son of a... What was your sense of fairness there?
Sir, how are you? Sir, pasundot lang yung nasabi nyo kanina na fa-filean nyo ng plunder. Sino po ito?
Hanggang ngayon nila nagbabayad.
Section po.
If it's billions and you're not paying, what is that? Non-payment of taxes? Billions? Ayaw mong bayaran? Kaya mabutit binatawa nila yung Maylong. Talagang yayariin ko sila dyan ng plunder. Papareho yan sila. There seems to be the elite and company. Noon pa yan, estudyante pa, sumusubra talaga yung mga may-ari noong, mga may-ari ng wine company, may-ari ng puro sila. Sino may mga ari niyan? Mga may-ari ng maraming
Sir, baka kasi malibel kami kung kami magpapangalan.
Gusto mo pangalanan ko?
Yes, sir.
You wait.
Okay.
Pero tandaan mo, I want you to have a copy kung sino yung may maari ng mga itong PLDT, Globe, lahat. Itong mga malalaking kumpanya, mga department store. Hindi nyo alam yan? And they have media access because they owned it. Ako lang ang nag sa kanila kasi sabi ko wala kayong makuha sa akin. May hindi ako sinali. Look, sabi ko even if it is true or not, you got it illegally, you can assert this an evidence. Whether it is true or not, yung sabi billion, whether I admit it is true when it is not. Hindi nyo magamit yun because you stole it from the equipments of government. That is not allowed by law, and that can only be done by people who are running this country because they are backed up with money and the media to destroy it. Yung media can destroy you. But pagka sabi ko, pag ganunin ninyo ako, papabuhin ko kayo. Kasi alam ko. Ngayon, kita mo kay Preto. Alam ba ninyo, kay Rufino, noon pa yan. Did you know na wala ng rental, sila pa rin. But they were criticizing government people as if we are the villains.
Sir, pasundot lang ng isa. Tama bang
Hindi ako papayag ng gano'n. Bababuyan ko kayo ng babuyan. Ninyo. Mga letse kayo.
Sir, tama bang perception po yung sinasabi ng iba na the
Kayo,
media...
huwag kayo ma-insulto. Hanggang sweldo lang kayo. Yung ninyong alam kung saan.
Sir, tama po ba yung perception na sinasabi ng ibang kritiko na if a media entity is very critical of you, you can and you will run after?
Lahat yan. Especially ERAP. Mayroon pa doon si ERAP na dumapo yung langaw. Nakuha ninyong picture, pinalaki ninyo. What kind of a son of a... What was your sense of fairness there? Kung yung muta ng may-ari ng ninyo, hindi nyo nakikita yung langaw, dumapo lang sa inyo, pinalaki pa ninyo. Yung magganon na style.
Sir?
Kaya gusto ko silang makita minsan. I hope that I will meet them by accident or mabuti yung nandiyan kayo. I'm not threatening anything. But I would relish the moment kung makita ko yan sa harap-harapan. At sana nandiyan kayo para makita ninyo kung ano ang asta ng mga amo ninyo.
Sir, just one last. What is your position or what do you think of critical reporting on your administration?
Sanay ako dyan, Adre.
Okay.
Alam mo, ang kalabang ko noon, alam mo sino Grale? Siya nag-umpisa na yung DDS na yan. Every time sa Davao may mamatay, baski sa aksidente may magkuha ng picture and they compiled it. Alam ko yan, but I never filed a case against him. He filed a case several against me pagdating ng Supreme Court bagsak. Because hindi, hayaan mo, para matuto ang lahat ng Pilipino. Sino pa?
Sir, you don't mind critical report?
Ay, hindi naman ako kasi hindi naman totoo. Bakit magsakit ba ako? Look, I cannot run again. I won by a margin of 6 million. Ano pa bang hintayin ko? Why would I mind a critic there sa newspaper? Wala namang bumibili niya. Wala namang kikinig yan sa mga radyo. Kasi alam ng tao, hindi totoo eh. At saka ako, pag sinabi ko, gagawin ko. Pag sinabi ko, ilan lang, korupsyon, o buto lahat, drugs, o sabi ko na, ubusin ko. Kayo na naman puro file ng file itong mga... Sabi ko, I will deal with the enemies of the state. O ito, kita mo yung nangyari sa amin. Sila na ang pumupunta. Wala. But I continue to talk with the MIMF because I do not want a war in Mindanao. Kung walang mangyari kasi dyan, puputok ang Mindanao. I'm telling you now, for the information of the public, if nothing happens there, if we cannot concede a certain concession, either territory or powers over the resources. Nauna sila sa Mindanao. Sila yung mga tao doon. Ikaw pagka-Kristiyanos ka, you are not from Mindanao. You are a descendant of a Christians who ventured to Mindanao a very long time ago. Yan ang totoo din.